Your boy Slay back with another freaking video, man. It's like 0 degrees outside right now, and it's cold as fuck. So we're gonna take a video of the picture of the Z. Then we're gonna take a little drive, you know what I'm saying? So hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. I'll turn the car on for y'all in a second, but I gotta get a thumbnail for this. Get this thumbnail right quick. Turn that car on. It's cold as hell. It's like at least 0 degrees. Well, it is 0 degrees right now. Already warmed the car up a little bit, but you know, tire pressure is 23. Gotta get some air in my tire. I'll do that later though, just cause it's cold. Probably need some gas too. Good oil change though, you know what I'm saying? Only got 34 miles in my car. Probably stop by the gas station. So take a little drive though. 4 degrees right now. Really 0. I think it says it feels like -3 or -4, some crazy shit like that. So I'll do this. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video though. Big stuff coming soon. Continue being consistent, you know. Turn that heat warmer on. I'm so glad I got a heated steering wheel. I wish I could have, bro. I wish it could be like cold sometimes, but the street could be warm. Or is that like a high moment or something? Bro, what the? I'm not really talking in this video. It's just the morning. It's like 10 o'clock, 10:30, something like that. I don't know. I'm just tired for real. But y'all basically just hear the engine, you know what I'm saying, the supercharger or whatever. So So it's a nice day though. Nice little sunny, cold morning, you know. So it's alright. Snow melting. Damn, her ring is crazy. This car is so crazy. It sounds so nice. Ugh, I smell all that. Ugh. God damn, bro, I can't wait till the summertime, bro. Summertime's gonna be so nice. Hopefully everybody just building their car and stuff, just have a good summer. Nothing don't break in the summer. Good, reliable street car, race car, fast car. So I'm praying all my friends. So I pray I have no problems with my car this summer, man. So no problems, man. Good chop though. Good chopping. Just chopping. That shit sounds crazy. Oh my goodness. Why does it sound so crazy like that right now? popping today. I like it. Oh, it sounds so good today, bro. I don't know what's going on. It's just cold outside like this, but this shit sounds too good today. Yeah, I'm about to be low on gas. Gas like about to come on. Probably like the next 2 miles. Supercharger temps later. Why you take your makeup off, you don't look the same. You don't take your makeup off, you don't look the same. Why you don't take your, alright. My bad, my bad. You don't take your makeup off, you don't look the same. Popping today. Ain't put it in park. That lady behind me like, bro, what he got in his car? That shit sound nuts. I love POV. Y'all love POV, man. I'm not gonna put my credit card in this. The worst part about this car is just the gas is so fucking expensive in this car. It runs out so fast. That's alright though. That's why you got a Toyota or something. Or at least 93. See, when I don't wanna, you know what I'm saying? When I don't wanna, wow, why's my gas not working? When I don't wanna fill this car up, I just drive the Toyota, man. Toyota say, bro, I ain't paid gas in my Toyota for like a month. It's almost that time though. But yeah, man, we gonna wait for that, get filled up. I need a car wash, as y'all can see. I haven't got a car wash in like, I don't know, almost a month maybe. I need to do something about this, cause this, like, you can't even see my plate. That's how dirty it is. Like, look at that, it's crazy. Man, hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. I will give y'all some more. I'm gonna give y'all some more content later on today. Put another POV video, and yeah, I'm gonna go in here and see if they got biscuits and gravy. Probably eat that. And yeah, I'm at $30 right now. You only 7 gallons. Fucking terrible. So yeah, look at that. Probably put like 45. No, I'll probably get 10 gallons. Yeah. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this video though, man. It's cold as fuck out here. Shit. Yeah, put it 45. 10 gallons, there we go. I can't wait to put my E85 in this. go. Oh, it's cold. Hope y'all enjoyed this video though. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to your boy, and stay tuned for the content, man. Catch y'all boys later, man. Peace.